This is the homework video for Tuesday, 9/2016. You're going to use your homework packet, and in your homework packet you should be on page 5. It will say lesson 3 at the top, and you're going to do all of that page that says lesson 3 in the homework packet. If you haven't already done your homework, then make sure that you turn the video off and try your homework on your own first, and then you can watch the video and correct. Make sure you're using a pen to correct, please. The first thing is that they tell you that you've got 3 horses, horse A, horse B, and horse C. And they describe in words how horse A runs. They say he runs 10 miles an hour. The equation for that is y equals 10x, and I'd like that equation to be on your paper. Y equals 10x, write it down. I also want you to label that x represents the number of hours. The 10 is the constant of proportionality. It means for every 1 hour, horse A goes 10 miles, and the y represents the total miles ran by horse A. So you need the equation, and you need all 3 of these labels. You can pause the video if you need to. Then the second thing is it gives you a table for horse B. So I did 28 divided by 2. 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. And then just to check, I did 70 divided by 5. 70 divided by 5 is 14, so this is also proportional. And the constant of proportionality is 14. The equation is y equals 14x. And once again, I want you to make sure that you have labels for the y, for the 14, and for the x. If you don't have those labels, get them done now and put them in EEC. It's okay that you didn't write them on your own the first time. On the third one, it gives me a graph. So the first thing I did is I looked to see where this line that they give me is exactly crossing grid intersections. And it does once right here at 3.5 and 40. And then it does over here one more time. This is at 7 and 80. So I'm still doing y divided by x. So 80 divided by 7 is 11.4. And 40 divided by 3.5 is 11.4. That means 11.4 is the constant of proportionality, and this is a proportional graph because it's a straight line and it goes through 0. So y equals 11.4x. Make sure you write the equation down, and again, make sure that you label x is the number of hours. 11.4 is for every 1 hour the horse runs. 11.4 miles. Horse C runs 11.4 miles, and y is the total number of miles that horse C runs. Now the question asked you so the question's asking me to rank the horses from fastest to slowest. So the one that was going fastest was y equals 14x. And then the next fastest one was y equals 11.4x. And then the least fast one, or the slowest, was y equals 10x. Y equals 10x was horse A. Y equals 11.4x was horse C. And y equals 14x was horse B. And we're done. Have a great night.